Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a lip product that delivers both rich color and a luxurious finish, then you're in the right place. Today we're talking about the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Color Drip Lip Cream in the shade Cookie Jar. A product that promises not only gorgeous color, but also a smooth, comfortable wear, perfect for an all-day, no-fuss look. So let's dive in. The Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Color Drip Lip Cream comes in a sleek, compact 0.3 tube, making it easy to carry around and apply on the go. This lip cream is designed to give you both a glossy shine and a creamy texture that smoothly glides over your lips without feeling sticky. The shade Cookie Jar is a beautiful warm caramel with a touch of brown, giving you that perfect neutral hue that enhances your natural lip color. Looking at the ingredients, Fenty Beauty continues to deliver with quality. The formula includes nourishing ingredients like shea butter to keep your lips hydrated, so you don't have to worry about your lips feeling dry or chapped after a few hours of wear. It's also packed with a smoothing agent that gives it that luxurious, velvety feel while maintaining a high shine finish. In terms of performance, I have to say I was impressed with how effortlessly this lip cream fit into my daily routine. The application is super smooth and the texture is thick enough to deliver a rich color, but light enough not to feel heavy. Plus, the shine it gives is glossy, but not over the top, so it doesn't compete with the rest of your makeup. It's a very wearable product for both casual days and more dressed up looks. I wore it throughout the day and it held up pretty well. Of course, being a lip cream, it's not completely transfer proof, but it does fade gracefully without becoming patchy, which is a huge plus in my book. I'd say if you're eating or drinking, you might need to reapply, but for daily wear, it's comfortable and long-lasting. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the color is absolutely stunning. Cookie Jar is one of those universally flattering shades that can work on a wide range of skin tones. The formula is smooth, not too sticky, and provides a perfect shine. Plus, the hydration is a major perk. My lips didn't feel dry at all, even after wearing it for hours. On the downside, as with most glossy products, the wear time isn't as long as a matte lipstick, so reapplication might be necessary throughout the day. If you're looking for something that will stay put without needing touch-ups, this might not be your go-to for the longest wear. When it comes to value for money, I'd say the price is justified for the quality you get. You're paying for a high-end brand with a product that performs well in terms of both texture and wear. While there are less expensive alternatives out there, few offer the same balance of hydration, color, and shine that Fenty Beauty does in this lip cream. As for comparisons, if you're looking for a similar lip cream, but at a more budget-friendly price point, there are options like the Maybelline Lifter Gloss or NYX Butter Gloss that come close in terms of the creamy texture and shiny finish. However, Fenty Beauty does have that extra touch of luxury that makes the product feel a bit more premium. The build quality is solid. The packaging is sleek and functional, with a twist-up tube that makes it easy to apply without any mess. The product feels sturdy, and the formula is not runny, which makes for a controlled application every time. For alternatives, if you're looking for something that's a little more budget-friendly, but still gives a similar vibe, there are options out there. But when it comes to a brand that consistently delivers on quality and wear, Fenty Beauty has a special place in the market. If you're considering this product, it's worth it if you're after that perfect balance of glossy shine and smooth texture with the added bonus of hydration. It's great for everyday wear, and Cookie Jar is a lovely shade that works for a variety of looks. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this lip cream, the link is in the comments. Thank you for watching today, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.